Basic Science, Class 5, Unit 2, Life-Giving Water, Self-Evaluation Worksheets. Worksheet 1. Notice the pictures given below. Which property of water is used in each occasion? Some properties of water are given below. Point out the occasion. Make use of it. 1. Water dissolves substances. Water have no proper shape. Water can exchange heat. Worksheet 2. We are preparing cool drinks out of water. Which property of water is used in these occasions? Classify the following: which dissolves in water and not dissolving: salt, rice, sugar, chili powder, tea powder, glucose, sand, oils, and honey. Worksheet 3. Which of the following float in water? Classify them: safety pin, stone, glass, wood piece, plastic, rubber, goalie, coin, steel nail, coconut oil, kerosene, football, and balloon. Some materials float in water. In which occasions we are making use of this property of water? Worksheet 4. Fill in the boxes: solute, solvent, and solution. Examining salt water, drinking soda, sugar solution, and soap water. Write the definitions of solute, solvent, and solution. Worksheet 5. Write down the names of water sources you are familiar with. Which of them contain salt water? We cannot use seawater for domestic purposes. Why? Worksheet 6. Notice the pictures. What are the causes of water contaminations? Mention protection methods to avoid water contamination. Write your ideas to reduce the excess use of water at school and at your home. Worksheet 7. Notice the picture. Can you write how rain is happening? What is meant by water cycle? What is the role of rain ensuring the quantity of pure water in earth? What will be the changes of water distribution in world if there is no rain? Worksheet 8. What are the problems we have to face in heavy rainy season? What are the precautions we have to take to face these circumstances? What rescue activities you do while seeing someone sinking in water? Worksheet 9. Develop an experiment to identify which of the substances dissolve in water, which of the substances dissolve in kerosene. What are the things we have to care when doing this experiment? Imagine you are doing an experiment to prove water have no shape. Which type of vessels do you use for this experiment? Worksheet 10. Building workers are using this type of narrow plastic tubes filled with water at the time of fixing bricks. What is the use of it? Can you identify which property of water is used here while using the plastic tubes? Can you develop an instrument to prove this property of water? Write the steps of your experiment.